What's going on, y'all? Another trade recap. Honestly, today I I'm recording this day after, so I meant to be yesterday. But Friday's trade, honestly, I'm a little disappointed in myself because this was low key a FOMO trade. All right. Coming into the day, I was low key bearish. I was like, okay, like I just want to see previous day get low, and then we'll probably. I don't see any gaps down here, so I wasn't too sure on how we were gonna react. But coming into the morning, I was leaning more towards the bearish side. So once we swept previous day low, right? That was my first initial draw at 8:30. We hit it, and I'm thinking, okay, are we gonna keep going lower, or are we just gonna just bounce? You know what I mean? But because of how, I guess, actually you'll see. So 9:30 comes along, right? We have this huge push up, taking a previous day low. I didn't want to long right away because remember, like coming today, I wasn't like too sure how bullish we're gonna be. But after I seen that this candle inverse this, and the 15-minute showed like strong push to the upside, and all these stacked highs here, London high from the morning, London high from yesterday, and this 4-hour gap, like with this displacement, I'm like, okay, bro, my bias low-key changed to bullish. So after I seen that, right, I was thinking, okay, because I missed this first initial move, I need to see it come back to the 15-minute, and then I can look for long. All right. Now, low-key, something really unfortunate happened today. Basically, this push right here, right? I think it was on the 3-minute. There's an SMT here, by the way. So this 15-minute, we don't tap here on the Nasdaq, but we do on the S&P. Actually, I don't even know how to show it. Okay, you know what? That's whatever. Just trust me, though. I needed it to come back and hit the 15. We didn't hit it on Nasdaq, but we did hit it on ES. So when that happened, that gave me confirmation. Now, you see this gap right here? In my head, I was waiting for this to get filled. Look at this candle. We don't close it right away. So I'm like, okay, bet. I'm gonna wait for the next candle. When I see this next candle, I am entering on this, going towards London high and previous day high. Guess what happened in this next candle, bro? Dog. Like, what even is that, man? Bro, this candle went up and just slammed through all my targets. I was like, bro, whatever. So that got me a little, you know what I'm saying? And this is where I kind of just pattern traded, and I just decided, well, if we went up there, maybe we can get to this 4-hour. And it, came back down, inverse that gap, which should have been I took this inverse right here. Really FOMO trade because I was low-key upset that I didn't get this first initial move that I wanted, and I just kept expected it to go just higher right away. Hit the target. Usually it's supposed to accumulate, which it did again, as you can see. And then at 11 a.m. near there, decided to want to hit. So yeah, I mean, it's just unlucky. I should have known not to take this, especially after hitting my target, and I was really like low-key kind of bothered by it. But hey, we live and learn. This become my first FOMO trade yet. But yeah, it wasn't the worst. Nah, it was low-key kind of stupid. It was stupid. Because we already hit what I wanted to, and I still try to like look for something, bro. So of course it's gonna be like low prob. But yeah, living and learn though. Alright, let me show like the execution. So this is my so this is what I wanted, right? And I was telling my boy I was cheesed, and that was the gap where we barely closed and it just went. So yeah, all right, just keep going. Yeah, it's all good though. Live and learn, baby.